So we're going to get up on here. And you've been adjusted, just never unorthodox, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so we're going to go this way here. There we go. So what you're going to do, you're going to drop your head. There you go. Drop it right there. There we go. Ooh, Bessie, you're tight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You normally pop a lot when you get adjusted, or not too bad?
Yeah, sometimes it's a little harder.
Little stiff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah. See, I'm acrobat too. There we go. Okay. There we go. So you're just going to roll your head down this way. There we go.
Oh.
It's different.
Yeah.
Just go on your back for me, face up. She has a whole bunch of competitive cheer stuff. You don't have to